But you see,
at the Best Western. Sorry to interrupt you.
But
by the way, can we talk about your rings real quick? Because what are the significance? What are we trying to do with the rings? Are they complicated? Do they get in your way, et cetera, et cetera?
Well, it depends on what I'm playing. I have a very particular song I play where I use this ring as a slide guitar. Well, it depends on what I'm playing. I have a very particular song I play where I use this ring as a slide guitar.
Okay, let's bring in Atelston. He's starting to get upset here. Well, it's just Set. How you doing, bud? Good to see you. Good to be here. Okay, let's bring in Atelston. That was like my online viral name, Mr. Pregnant. Mr. Pregnant is supposedly a metaphor.
You know, you don't want to just set it down, but then again, there's no strap on, so where are you going to put it?
Clutch purse, strap on, incube. This has to be one of them.
Jeff, and I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like a million.
My friends call me T, but that includes today.
It goes back and forth. It's replicated. It's in your spine.
So many things that you know, I don't know, and other people don't know. So
It's going, I'm not a big meat eater.
Well, you don't need anything else. I think that's the realization.
Well, here we are. It is what it is. This is the internet. It's Robert Denny Jr. I'm doing a live stream from the Buttered Sausage account.
Little shea nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter. Little shea nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
We understand that these are the 5 emotional attributes that are induced during manic episodes. Now we're going to take
You know what? I mean, you've heard the term before. Black don't crack. Black don't crack. Russell Simmons been 80 years old for the last 30 years. He still look like he could, you know.
You get a hot air balloon stuck somewhere.
I heard you train. One of the facts. I have a list of over 40 facts about yourself, Gary.
That is true. That's which leads me to my next question. Tell me about your skincare, because you have amazing skin. What's your skincare regimen? Can I personally say that I use retinols with acid rain. I use a combination of the two. What do you do?
Age thing. Is that so as to subdue somebody, or is that supposed